What's up?
The bikes sound exactly the same.
Dude, it's the exact same motor.
Yeah, they sound exactly identical.
We got some air. Needed a little air. We hit a little street today. The new 300R. I was running 15 pounds of pressure in my front and rear. And we don't want to be riding on the street 15 pounds of pressure.
Yeah, it feels totally different now.
It should, dude. You were running stupid low pressure. He's been riding this bike 2 up with 10 pounds in the front and 15 pounds in the rear. Talk about low.
Yeah.
I can't believe that bead didn't pop in the rear.
Back swing on 26 psi and 33.
Yeah, I can't believe you didn't rip the rear bead. It didn't pop the bead off the rim running such low pressure with 2 people on it. That's crazy, man.
They idle the same and everything.
It's a little windy out today, guys. Not too terrible. A little chilly too. See my hyper flash going. Oh, and you see an 18-wheeler stuck underneath that bridge. Never before. It's funny seeing you on a 300R when your 600's sitting at home. Come on, man. Admit it, you're liking that better than your 600 double R.
I like it.
It's more comfortable.
It is.
It's faster.
It's got metal foam in it.
Dude, that seat's 4 times the size of yours. It's a lot nicer.
For a week. On the same tank of gas.
Yeah. Well, it's like this, dude. It'll get 70 miles to the gallon. I mean, I think this bike stock gets like 85 miles.
Yeah, because the gas was sour from sitting.
Was it?
The bike was sitting for like 2 years.
I'm really curious to see how my microphone is going to sound on this helmet, because my new helmet doesn't have any shut off for the air. And I got a dead cat on my mic and everything. Boy, it is chilly today. Hopefully he remembers that this is a pretty windy little section of the road here. I got silicone on my rear tire. What we got going on here? It's just mirror. Does that mail truck right there look weird? Huh. I love seeing all the green. We're making a turn, making a turn, making a turn, making a turn. What the fuck is this? I don't know. We'll see. We'll still take it. Just go slow. Huh. No trespassing. Trespass. It's funny when I hear people say it like that. Trespass. Yo, look at the goat. Look at him. go. Get a little bit of gas. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I gotta say, I'm pretty familiar with my bike. It definitely feels a little bit more snappier, and then it's got a little bit better pull. That stock exhaust is just so much crap. It's so much crap with it. Look at all the bamboo, guys. Give me a big ass bamboo stick. Hold on, stop for a second. Hey, I gotta pull over for a second. Look at this bamboo, guys. Look at this bamboo. Look at them, dude. I feel like I'm in Japan, bro. Hopefully my camera angle is good for you guys. I didn't really get a chance to really... This is a new mount that I'm using, and I didn't get a chance to check it on my phone, make sure it was good. The police! Go. You don't ever see traffic on that road. It's kind of surprising that a cop shows up on that back road that we were on when I went bawling by them houses. You know what I mean? We're good. Let's go. Jerusalem Road. We're in Jerusalem now, ladies and gentlemen. Civil War trails. Yeah, see, Civil War trails. Here we go, right here. Like, so look at some of the stuff here, guys. It's really cool. This old building here. Like, I want to see what this is real fast. Dairy farm.
Yeah, that's what they used to be jousting.
Really?
That's what it says. And horse jousting.
Yeah, man. Amateur Jousting Club of Maryland. That's really cool. I was in third gear. How was I in third gear? The jousting. That's it right there. So it's actually jousting now. Huh. That's pretty cool. Look at this. 12-foot bridge. This area is Jerusalem Village covered bridge. Jericho Bridge right there. Look at this. Jeez. I'd launch that. I would launch that. Kind of a sketchy, you can't see what's coming though. That's the problem. See, there's nothing better, guys, than the smell of fresh cut grass and wood burning. Somebody cut the grass somewhere and somebody's burning wood. One of my two favorite smells. Busting a U-turn. Sherwood Road. Wonder if we'll meet Robin Hood. This is a really cool road. I smell burning wood again. Somebody's burning wood somewhere. I'm gonna do a CRF250L Vs 300r here for you guys. Yeah, I got it a little bit. Got a little bit of something on that one. I felt it just a little bit. It's so chilly out right now, guys. My nose is running. Man, they live right on that river. That's awesome. Boom, boom. You know what's really funny, guys, is that I never not once looked at my gas level or gas gauge since I hopped on the bike to go out for this quick ride. That's how confident I am in this bike and its gas mileage. I call her the camel. She is the camel. Everybody likes to call her the LRP, the little red pig. Well, I call her the LRC, little red camel. That's getting kind of expensive, man. $1.60, $2. Look at that, $3.41.
Load my duffel with these blades and they just got polished. Thinking about the day, bring me